Hi guys, today I want to share with you about this amazing breast pump called the Spectra S9 Plus Double Breast Pump. Despite the small size, the Spectra S9 still has an LCD display that shows the vacuum level, mode, timer, and battery life. This electronic double breast pump is very quiet in operation. It is compact in size and super lightweight. It comes with a main body, 2 air hoses, 2 funnel sets, 2 backflow protector, a power adapter, and milk bottle sets. So to use it, you connect the air hose to the main body and then connect the backflow protectors to the other end of the air hose. And this is how you connect the protectors together. Repeat the same for both sides like this. Once we're done with this, we need to connect the protectors to the breast shield. After that, you can install the white valves at the bottom of the breast shield for both sides. Lastly, connect the bottles to the breast shield and you are done. Should you choose to use the single breast pump, remember to close the other opening. So this is how it looks like when you on the machine and the breast pump is working. This breast pump is designed for double breast pump, but you can use it as a single pump as well. As you can see, there is adjustable pumping pressure, 10 levels, and cycle speed control. This portable pump is ideal for moms who travel frequently or even those who work from home but don't like a bulky pump. I like how this breast pump is small and compact, yet comes with a strong and gentle suction strength. I hope this video helps you in choosing the right breast pump for you. Please like and subscribe if you find this video helpful.